The next generation of Ego has arrived, and it's more powerful than ever. Introducing the new Ego Power Plus cordless blower, delivering an astonishing 530 cubic feet of airflow per minute. That's more than almost every handheld gas blower on the market. Weighing in at only 7 pounds, the newly redesigned Ego Power Plus blower is not only more powerful, but incredibly lightweight. Equipped with an all-new high-efficiency brushless motor and 2.5 amp-hour battery, runtime has been extended to 75 minutes on a single charge. A variable speed control allows you to dial in the power you need for the job, from more delicate areas of the yard to heavy-duty applications. And Turbo gives you the ultimate clearing power for yard debris. The Ego Power Plus battery is part of a system and can be used on any tool for maximum versatility and value. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the most advanced platform. Ego, power beyond belief.
Heavy-duty yard work can really take a toll on your hands. Planting without gloves can be a dirty job. Or worse, you have gloves, but they don't protect your hands. Finally, there's Garden Genie gloves, the amazing gardening gloves you can't live without. Watch this. Garden Genie lets you easily dig and plant your yard all without tools. The built-in gardening claws make digging, planting, grating, and raking fast and easy. Garden Genie's integrated thick resin claws replace handheld tools. Quickly spread and grate topsoil, making yard work fun again and hassle-free. Put down garden gravel in seconds, and all with just a quick pass of your hand. Garden Genie even replaces your hand rake, quickly clearing, getting the job done in seconds. Garden Genie reduces friction and prevents blisters on the toughest jobs. Puncture resistant, they protect your hands from sharp thorns and thistles. Garden Genie's flexible ergonomic design makes it easy to pick up even the smallest objects. Garden Genie's simple design and integrated claws can help you cultivate and seed your summer garden in half the time, and all without tools. Look again, their curved and specially integrated gardening claws make it easy to dig in even tough, dry soil or clay. No tools needed. Garden Genie can quickly break up a root ball without damage for perfect plantings every time. Finish by spreading and grating mulch in all your flower beds in seconds. Best of all, they rinse clean and don't hold dirt, while leaving your hands dry, clean, and protected on the inside. Try Garden Genie gloves and change the way you work in the yard forever.
Fiskars believe even the simplest things can be made better and smarter. The Fiskars range of weed pullers will revolutionise how you combat weeds in your garden. The telescopic weed puller has the added benefit of an adjustable shaft, so you can alter the length so it's right for your height. It allows you to weed from a comfortable standing position. Deep-reaching stainless steel claws grab the root of the weed, and the ejection mechanism effortlessly releases the weed into a waiting bucket. It means you can weed again and weed again without the use of harmful chemicals. By regularly cleaning and maintaining the weeder, it will last a lifetime.
Planting bulbs and flowers has never been quicker. This tool is specially designed to dig holes quickly and easily. Simply insert the dirt snatcher into your planting bed soil, squeeze and pull. Now you have a perfect 3-inch diameter hole for planting bulbs or nursery plants, constructed of nickel-coated steel and high-impact plastic.